hope there's bigger fish. I want a big fish.
That was hilarious.
I see fish out there.
Do you?
Yeah, I want to go further. I see 2 fish.
Should we just send the car around for you?
I know, right?
You should have rode over with my brother. He's coming now. Get her in the boat and make her sit down. He drives like it's like Indy 500.
I don't want to start fucking dancing.
Alright.
I think it's 300Z. It was better than that. 6-banger.
Look at him.
Nice to see you.
He's in the field.
Oh, is he in the field?
Uh-huh.
Where's he going?
Who knows? Where'd he
I
go?
don't think I'm getting anything because I've got seaweed. Oh, and no worm? Or no, my worm just got stretched out.
Oh.
How thin my worm is right now.
Hey, the motor works on that thing. Lisa, the motor works on that.
Tell her to let Olga do what she wants.
I know, it's okay. Lisa, the motor works.
How the fuck do I turn it on?
How does she turn it on?
You know what? I think I could win an award for putting a worm on a hook without using my fingers.
Not connected.
It's okay, just you're almost here. This is great.
Worm. I'm gonna die because it's hot. I don't have a lid. No ice.
Stupid bitch.
Olga, come here.
No.
Olga, come here.
No.
Oh, I swear to God.
Olga, come here.
Where the fuck is
She just went through hell.
Olga?
Don't. Ben, don't.
I couldn't help it.
Olga?
Oh, stop.
She's in the row. She's never gonna get over here. She's gonna hit that pole and like fuck it up.
It's gonna sink.
Olga, stay.
Don't, Ben.
God, she's awful at that.
Olga, I don't want to fucking hear you stupid whiny bitch.
Oh, I need to go put some sunscreen on.
Olga?
Hey, you still
God,
have
it was
Lisa's
big.
gun over here, right? That shotgun.
Sitting there
Okay.
on the table.
Olga?
Oh,
Can I blast?
that was great.
Not now, man. You
Oh,
kidding? Hold
Olga.
up. This is great.
Olga. Olga. Brysis, don't even think about it.
I think they'd make it, but just keep going,
I think they would, but yeah.
just in case.
God damn it!
It's like, how are you supposed to row and hold the dog?
Olga? Brysis, you stay too. Olga?
This is the funniest shit I've ever witnessed.
Brysis.
If today falls apart, like this is the funniest shit ever.
This was all worth it.
This is all worth today.
Olga.
You're almost,
Olga.
dude. She'd probably make it if just let her go.
Yeah.
Just let her go.
Come on, Olga. Come on.
Come on. Come
Not
on.
even deep.
Come on.
Look at you.
Good girl.
Don't even try.
Oh.
Oh, we got chips.
Oh, we got chips. Come on, Boo. Come on, Boo. Good girl. Oh, God. Oh, oh.
Right there. Go that way. Ah.
That was great.
Oh,
Olga, go on. Go on. Oh. Good job, Lisa. Woo!